Hello, my dear student. Today, I will use YouTube to teach you how to solve the problem that you just messaged me. Okay, so this YouTube is mainly for you. Alright, so the question that you asked me is actually a bit challenging, but it's actually not so difficult. Let's see, you actually got how many equations, you know? One. We can say this is one equation. I can write 2r equal to 3s. Let's call equation number 1. You can write 3 equations actually from the 3 terms given. Alright, so up to you. For me, I can write this another one which is 3s equal to 60. So I have 2 equations. Just 2 equations enough because it's a simultaneous equation. Right, so you can actually say 1 equal to, we always say 1 equal to 2, 1 equal to 3 also can, 2 equal to 3 also can. So in fact, if you have 3 terms, you can write down 3 equations. Okay, now because they are equal, now I'm going to explain to you how to solve this. Okay, so basically when you see this thing, 2r equal to 3s, and here got 3 and here got 6, so your first step is you will convert the 6 so that you can see something to do with 2 and 3, right? Okay, because we are doing indices, we hope that we can get the base are the same. So the 6, I'm going to write 2 times 3. Alright, you understand? So that we want all the base, if possible, the same, so that we can solve. Okay, so until here, I will stop there. Then I will go back to this one. See, this one. From here, I can see my 2 equal to 3s over r. Do you understand this? Okay, I'm going to explain this one to you first before I substitute into here. Because I think majority of the students, they don't understand how to get 2 equal to 3 s over r, right? Okay, so I'm going to explain to you so that you can see why. For 2, I can write like this. Okay, let's see. I explain here. Okay, if you can see that, then you can solve very fast. Okay, let's see. 2r equal to 3s. So the moment I see 2, I will bring the r over 1 to become s 1 over r, you know. Okay, why? Because, okay, I'm going to explain to you. This is one of the law that you must know. Okay, we have the x squared equal to 4, right? So x squared means x power 2 over 1. So when we bring over, it becomes 1 over 2. See that? When you bring over the power, it will be inverse. So we have the formula for the indices law, whereby we have let's say we have xm equal to a, so we can write x is a 1 over m. You know, this is m over 1, bring over. So if x equal to x over, okay, let me explain to you another one. If x m over n equal to a, so when you bring over, you can write x equal to n over m. See or not? You can inverse the fraction. This is the law that people always can't see. So here r is r over 1. So when I bring over, it become 1 over r. See or not? 1 over r. Right, so if you can express 2 as this thing, 2 is equal to this thing, you will solve the problem easily. Okay, let me see. Okay, see, I do again for you. Right, we use a red color so that you can see clearly. Okay, 2r equal to 3s. Hence, okay, 2 equal to 3s over r, right? So I write this is number 1. And then from these two, that means the 2 is over 1 here. 2 is 3 as 1 over r. So you will get 2 is equal to 3 s over r, and hence we will come up with another equation whereby is, okay, let me use a green color pen. 3s equal to 6. I will write 2 times 3t, right? So I'm going to substitute 2 as 3 s over r inside here. So 3 s over r times 3 power t equal to 3s, right? So now you see, I'm going to simplify because I can see the base are the same. This is 1, this is multiply. So what you need to do is you take s over r plus 1, right? And the t is still outside, right? Okay, now because we are having we almost achieve what we want. We are having same base. We are having same base, left and right one term. That is the principle to do the indices. You must do until both sides the same base, and then you can forget about the base are the same, right? Now base are the same, we are very happy because we can see what we want. We can just do the comparison for the power, right? Okay, so I'm going to write s equal to s over r plus 1t. Okay, now the question says express t in terms of the s and r. So your t, this is multiplied, right? You have to bring over. But before you bring over, you want the t in terms of s and r. Before you bring over, I suggest you make the denominator the same, like this. Okay, times t, right? So we will make the denominator the same. So this is 1, right? With times r, right? So it becomes s plus r. Denominator the same, you can plus. Okay, now you see, I can just cross multiply. This is t times s plus r. Oh, then this thing you times to the other side, right? sr, right? So that means finally this is multiplied, right? It will be sr over s plus r. That is the answer. For the last step, you finally get the answer like this. So you can write t equal to sr r plus s, or s plus r the same. Why? Because it's actually cross multiplication. So this is your final answer, right? I hope I do make you understand, because this question is not easy to explain. If I write on the message, you cannot understand, I'm sure. Okay, so I hope that I really can make you understand. Alright, to my dear students, basically when you see equation like this, you pecahkan kepada 3, 1, 2, 3. Secara ringkas saya guna bahasa Melayu. Anda boleh jadikan 1 sama dengan 2, atau 2 sama 3, atau 1 sama 3. Just 2 persamaan cukup. Lepas tu anda ungkapkan 2 itu dalam sebutan 3 kuasa S per A. 2. Okey, dari sini kita mau 2. Dari persamaan 1 kita mau 2 seorang saja. Okey. Lepas tu kita tengok ke persamaan yang seterusnya, kita ada 6 kan. 6 tu anda kena jadikan 2 kali 3. Dan cepat-cepat anda masukkan 2 tu sama dengan 3 S per A tu ke dalam sini. Jadi anda ringkaskan dengan cepat. 2 tu sama dengan 3 S per A kan. Sebab dua-dua mempunyai asas yang sama, jadi anda boleh tambah dia punya kuasa kan. Sini tambah. Lepas tu anda hanya fokus kepada dia punya kuasa indeks saja dan selesaikan. Cara nak selesaikan, anda kena samakan penyebut sebab ini pecahan kan. So kalau pecahan, kalau anda nak darab bersilang, dia kena jadikan satu pecahan tunggal, okey, baru boleh darab bersilang. Okey, dia mesti ada kita kata 4 benda macam ni. Okey, baru boleh bersilang macam ni. Selepas anda bersilang, baru anda dapat jawapan. Alright, so okay, keep on doing. I'm sure you will get good result. Bye bye and have a nice day.